The thesis that we're going to raise is a study of first African and then American civilizations. And I'm going to prove to you that we have the right path, at least, even if we got to deal with the structure, we got the right path on identity. In the synthesis that we are born both by just solely and just sanguinis of the oldest American civilizations, and I got to say this, that gave birth to the African civilizations. We are born both by just solely and just sanguinis of the oldest American civilizations, and I got to say this, that gave birth to the African civilizations. How I'm going to prove that is I'm going to use calendars that show that American civilizations are the only calendar systems that have prehistoric animals inside of the calendar systems. Which means animals that are no longer in existence are on their glyphs and in their carvings, and no other place on earth has that. That's one. So now we're studying zoology and the use of certain animals. Like you see a giraffe or elephant, you know they're still alive. But if you saw certain animals like toxodons, which are the predecessors to the rhinoceros, on American calendar steles, and the toxodon is in a museum, some of whom were in certain polarity shifts, frozen in ice and full. And we can track when that pole was shifted and there was no kindling. 12,000, 48,000 years ago. Antiquity. We're just dealing with chronology, antiquity, and I'm saying that it's easy to track these things. And when you track it and you find out the antiquity of the American civilizations and what gave rise to Africa and classical African civilizations, and even doing a little bit of comparison in the linguistics, there's no need for division. That's the point. We are one lineage of people who have had different epochs of time periods where we have expressed natural law cultures for a relative situation. You follow what I'm saying?